here's a pair of Beats Solo 3 headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair this directly to your Sony TV. This is the Sony TV with Google TV via Bluetooth. First thing is we got to go to the settings on your Sony TV. You can go to use the gear icon on your remote if you have it. If not, top right hand side you can navigate, just go to your home screen and then go to your avatar. Move all the way over to the right. Right there, your avatar photo. Now go down one, go to settings right there, click on OK. Now from here we want to go down to remotes and accessories right there, click on OK on the remote. Now make sure the Bluetooth is turned on. You can see the Bluetooth up there. So make sure that's turned on. And now, and you can see I have two other headphones that are connected to them, my JBLs, and these are my Sony headphones. But what we have to do next is pair accessory. But before we do that, let's first put our Solo 3s into pairing mode. So I can see that little button on here. So let me press and hold this for like 3 seconds. And let me keep holding until all the white light starts blinking. Now it's in pairing mode. Okay, you see it all blinking. Now I'm going to go over here to pair accessory. Okay, now it's searching. This is still in pairing mode. And let's see if it finds it here. If it doesn't find it within like 15 seconds, just go back and then do a search again. Okay, anyway, it just found it. It's still in pairing mode. I see Beats Solo 3 right there. I'm going to go down, highlight it, click on OK on the remote. It says pairing now. And I get a Bluetooth pairing request. I'm going to click on pair. Switch audio to Beats Solo 3. There you go. And you can see the Beats Solo 3 right there. Okay, pretty simple. Questions or issues, comment below. Oh yeah, and if you guys have problems where you couldn't pair it, maybe you couldn't get all the white lights to blink, look in the description below. I'll show you how to reset these, okay? Good luck.